各位聽眾，歡迎人來收聽邊個嘅節目。這禮拜禮拜到邊呢？到邊呢咧？我到底讓看到，那是我到底讓定我到邊呢嘅時讓看到嘛？我嚟隨我朋友誒開一間新店叫做 Tribute。Tribute 就是成個人家講福建話唔要講 Tribute 成個
就講啊 ，is a pay respect
嚇。尊敬嘅馬啦，所以我叫佢介紹可能聽告訴你，因為特別嘉賓呢是真水嘅好聽嗬，真水咧，冇咩名，我有機會經過，
名叫 CS 嚟咯
，CS 咪是真水咯。嗱，真水咧，就正要嚟講介紹下呢間店嘅故事咯，同人講嘅即係故事。伊講咧，嗬就好聽啦。我講，等我落起來。對人嚟講，呢間咧，伊是到底幾號？59號。
Jalan Gudwara Hinbas Depot。
Hinbas Depot 加嘛位邊
？Opposite the New Hotel 啊。
New Hotel 就斜對面。แล้วตรงกี้อีไป講伊安怎開始伊這個咖啡咯，咖啡店，然後加伊會煮嘅物件，即係趣味我聽講。OK 嚟講起你安怎做咩事？你做外國做工㗎嘛？
對。
你做外國做工แล้ว做咩事？紅飲對嚟？
冇 because 我 that time 我喺ตัวJakarta 做工嘅時咧，我喺印尼then that time my mother 就是 diagnosed with bone cancer，so doctor 講要6個月啦，so 6 months to live 咯，so from that time
你媽到邊嚟啊？
不到期啊，so that time so 我 decided to leave my job，then after that 過醫咯，so that 6 months 我過醫嘅時咧，my mother was going through chemo 嘛，so 你 doctor 就 advise 講樣條 chemo 咧，伊未食正濟行本，แล้ว伊 food 個咧真係 blend 嘛，so 我就教我 mother 講咯，我哋講你看 now 你有一個 terminal time frame 嘛，so why don't 你食你自家食嘅物件，you see，so then 咪所cook 你古早你攞嘢係 food 個了，伊自家食嘅，so like the 酒壺茶、gulai tumi 阿三胡阿扎你個了咯，แล้วso I decided to take up cooking 咯，so take up cooking 煮好媽得食咯，so during that time 我過嘅時候 ，mother is lying down on the bed and then most of the time 我是 from kitchen to the bed to 可以 test 看你 food 啊，whether 夠酸、夠甜、夠鹹，you know，so 我是 actually 冇煮嘅啦，then after that so out from there 咯，so out from there 嗬，then slowly 慢慢 OK 咯。So okay, then I find that actually I'm interested in cooking. So I love it 啦。So then
你唔知你自己
煮嘅嚇，我同淨係煮，我是家己是食嘅。我是自家食。
你說後面你咪講煮嘅時候你就食嘅咯。
對食。So 冇講想要去煮。Now I realize how difficult it is for my mother to 煮 during that time。我個了冇煮嘅事。So now 家己做一個 realize， then 個嚟就係話作勤苦 that time。So OK 咯。
你變做興趣做食戲。
所以有興趣做食戲。So from there 煮嗬 ，then 我就decided to after my mother passed away 時，我 decided not to go back to my working industry 咯。So then 我啲時候我要做下面咯。So I took like maybe a few months off and 可能。Then 那個嚟 soul search 看要做下面咯。Then that time 時我 also at the same time freelance for some friends 啦。So eventually who became my business partner。So 我做 design 啦 ，retail design。So from there 做 retail design then slowly until this year。我late last year 啦 ，actually 個嚟 started to 開一個 small little cafe 在 Hinbas Depot 叫 Tribute 啦。So Tribute is actually in memory of my mother 啦。And then I'm sharing 個了伊 recipe 咯。
佢可以賣紀念。紀念
嚇 ，yes correct。
然後你做咩事？其實嘅時候就講我要開做食嘅物件，是因為 有興趣做食了，你不你啊，真係時候都開一間食
Because 我哋哋做啊，then a lot of friends during the weekends 嚟食，then a lot of friends 本是成日 from Penang 嘅人，in 個食嘅嘛，個齋嘛，so they be telling me that，這裡 food and 好食，安怎你買 kick start 做？asking me，so 有冇講食過個口白你會 also not so，伊味素冇冇呢 strong or you know，冇呢成日，但是你話成日話rempah 嘅咧，個咧 mostly 正tumbuk or blend 啊，แล้วแต่พี่個口ลูเบ้是 powder。You notice like especially turmeric, you know. So then what to 講？There's a difference 嘛，because I tasted fresh. So 我 try 咯，so try 我做嘅時，because there was one time 我 try with the powder，我講安怎冇味。It smell is different. So look at you try 話，你做嘅時啊，you use the real turmeric，你做嘅時，then you will see the difference and smell the difference。會驚對。So then from there on，
但係你幾時會驚？
Yes. so then after that, from there, my friend had encouragement. So I became more confident. Then I decided to, okay, why don't I try out? So I started off with a pop-up lah. So a pop-up, that's last 6 months.
你 retail design 嘅經驗係有安怎 influence 你自己嘅？
對。So that's why from the design, then 我自己做啲 design 嘅了。So 嘅了是我哋 based on 我哋 knowledge on retail 啦。So that's how we started 咯。So that's why you see a lot of things that look 看到是講來時喺你店啊。A lot of it is like easy dismantle，只那 modular。即個 pop up shop concept。你 pop up shop 到底到嚟？你 pop up 到一邊啊？所以你 treat it as pop up shop 嚟。Correct。然後 but 你當佢 continue 做落去。 continue 做落去啦。Because sometimes pop up can last from 6 months to a year。So in a way also I wanted to test the food, see how is the public respond 咯。
Okay.
So yeah, so good lah to see you. First time 你嚟。
對，你講這個數。你我咪講你食，你煮嘅你嘅 concept 啦，你食嘅菜單安怎？你是拜幾開？當金啦。
當金咧，我是 Wednesday to Sunday。
拜三開個禮拜，但係拜一拜二冚。
拜一拜二冚對。And then 我開 from 12點 noon to 6點呢。我冇做 dinner because now currently 我冇夠 hands，so 是我一人嚟 cook。And 冇 helper， but anybody 聽到 I help 我做 helper，please 嚟 apply。
我想話，我那時講嗬，我隨工做啊，對啦，我嚟求你做 helper， kitchen helper， 我就搞切菜。
OK。that time 做 kerabu bihun。切菜嘛。
係咯，kerabu 地界啊，就切菜字咪叫做。kerabu 特別切緊界。所以你嘅菜單係咪成日講拜三到拜五時嘅菜單？weekdays 是？
Because weekdays 咧，我人 actually 是 everyday 啦 ，everyday 我 serve the snack tiffin。
禮拜五有，成個拜禮拜六嘅
meal tiffin 啊。So the snack tiffin 咧，我裏邊是係咧 five spice pork bun 咯。แล้ววันนั้นอุกราบูikan bilis
ลองที่ Instagram เองขอแซวเองนะเป็น instagram.com/ เป็นไอ้ฮอกเกียนแล้วรู้ Instagram ใช่ไหม
tribute_retro_cafe
tribute_retro_cafe ลองที่ตัว
แซวเองต่อให้เป็นกันแล้ว and all the story ล่ะ is there so then the third item in the snack tiffin ตัวสีเฮเล chicken wings อ๋อตัวที่3行
我食過我食แล้วแต่ว่ากระบูอีกคัมบิลิส
จะ好食啊แล้ว a lot of people they like it
伊誒你講最尖啊伊有個人啊做了伊個味素小hash伊味素小 hash because 人食沙多你特別食lembut 伊味素你有時一個味素小濟啊都唔對咧所以 balance 你 balance 佢會真正食沙多真正優秀
is the word yeah
對 delicate 啊就優秀
So then 我哋weekends 咧就是 meal tiffin 咯。So meal tiffin 我哋嘅 menu 是 rotation 嘅。So there's like for example last weekend 我哋有fried rice 加阿扎阿滑咯。แล้วก็ green bean sago as a set in the tiffin. So
green bean sago 係咩啊？
力豆 with coconut cream.
I see 力豆湯。Okay.
then the weekend before that
我上次都我啲字
recipes yeah I during that time 啦
如是拍水尾開間店乜啦？佢隨 recipe 還是你接落來是
冇或者
都對自己興趣
了自己煮你 recipe 呢？
哇！所以 before 你有隻店嘅 concept 是你都已經
會曉煮
緊了。
yeah
哇！你是幾年啊？
你是 2014
during 你過到你買是
2014 till now 咯。
貴這點上啦，
這點上to cook like maybe at least
你頭做是興趣啦，
興趣to help my mother 呢 actually then from then 我 started to cook during the weekends 咯，然後叫 friend 來食咯，然後 from there
冇講會開店啦，你是實在 after 你 mother pass away แล้ว你變做成個愛煮起，你有成個煮只有感覺就成個是個女媽。有成個
一個 connection
啊
yes 對咁樣咯 so then yeah so back to 佢哋 tiffin for the weekend 咧 so yeah 我當時有 kerabu bihun 咯แล้ว當時有 asam laksa 當時豆油白แล้ว so it will come with different sets 啦 so all in the serve in the tiffin and then 當時我個 serve 佢哋 kopi in the flask 果汁係 flask
我看到攞食去 Instagram 嘅看本
So I want to share my mother recipe lah, basically to orang Chia lah. So I think so far the response has been quite good, and a lot of customers has been repeat customers. 夾應咯 because 人仔啊。
你學嘅嘢嚇對 tribute 就是叫做紀念啊，紀念係成個成個紀念，it's not just 成個一記掉因嘅紀念是成個講
古早嘅 mother
嚇，你被 make sure 伊個 legacy continue 呢，就叫紀念。所以就係 I think 是 tribute 啦，紀念是我我把你 linguist friend 講，我實在 tribute 嘅意思是成個紀念。
It's very close 啊。對啊。
記啦，記就是會記掉嘅記咯，念本是想想掉念。
yeah
紀念 tribute 好嚇了你會啉咩煮咧係咪㗎
？Okay, for Chewy le, walang jo mostly local coffee and local tea because one be promote Penang. So that's why one yung kopi hun from Penang factories lah. So from there walang propose walang local white coffee lo, local condensed milk lah.
local condensed milk 啊
local condensed milk kopi lo.
邊做嘅啊？
在邊做咯？
係咪啊？講係咪是？咦，飄什麼？
你十潤鐘嘅啦。
十字古靈，十字古靈。
你 milk maid 啦。所以古早咧 condensed milk kopi 我傾泡路 try 下 try 個 kopi。Then 第一本是想 and then 我諗有 other drinks which is like cinnamon coffee 咯，我用 local coffee 摻 infused with cinnamon syrup。Okay. Then 我諗有 tribute special， 我自己是用 nutmeg mint and tea 咯。nutmeg 是流係咩啊？叫咩？老校對呀，
老校
nutmeg mint and tea so that one 嚟 with mint 啦，講 John 啲黏咗咗咯。Then 嗰隻嚟 drink 就是 lychee cooler 咯 which is lychee with mint tea。Yeah that's it about the drinks
但係不會俾你力豆啊？
但係有力豆本，聽做攞隻牛一碗。
Okay, cinnamon coffee. แล้ว okay, so 意思摻淡薄老果汁味加
local
你個淡薄，你個淡薄成個 twist 就較 modernize 淡薄，
yes
成個伊係爆係，但係你講係薄板啊。伊係白，你食到成個樣 style 淡薄伊白。我當時成個你殺咧伊格豆啊，你煮嘅你白醋就啲定然後啦諗到定面。
The texture
是แล้วอีก個呢個貴過多啊？
有貴過多本 but today 是冇 because 冇見潮，對 season 陣時會 but most other than that 你 green bean 力豆都有啦，睇我做咧with 椰，我諗是係椰神丹，依個 lemak แล้ว我用 gula melaka 咯 for 你力豆 gula melaka 嚇。 So just a little small cafe นะครับน่ะ very cozy 啦這邊
ไอ้แล้วไป講我第時間咧，我就接嚟看到第時間就是看到呢隻菜刀，行咗嚟有隻菜刀，啲菜刀入面就擺咗個啦，定到咱細漢佚佗物件，喺入面有當機啊，就睇當機 old mate 啦，有happy family 啦，個有個咩啊？個隻喺啲拍咗我做去試啊！嗰隻 pick up sticks 啦，一個 snap 嚇，嗰個當機
happy family
這裡是 S， 誒這裡乜咯？這裡是舊嘅喎，這是你個機哦，
呀，個機，
我唔知啊，這是你個機嘅，這是這當機
冇啦，你隨冇 ，you can't find。未啊，未隨緊啊。
S， 喲，攞特別嚟看。
我哋每路安裝 ES， 我未記了。how to play S? Maybe that's another topic also. This one childhood games.
S 我安裝 E 啊。尤其我係 recording 未來啊，in a few days 我特地這邊會做 recording 我每看。crowdsource 每看。誒，聽咗那時你聽到這邊這錄音時啊，你記安裝呢度 S 我未記啊，我係記嗰時，你知道，然後你直接 collect 來，你彈掉你就變咗 collect 你個記，這邊來那東西。
啊，你安裝贏的 S。
我未記啊。
You must beat them by the distance 哦。
成日是你掂一句出嚟下掂去，然後如果你係成日掂咯，浪掉人啊是特別凍嘅嘢哦。
something like that 嚇，都拍到嘢，
都拍到嘢。
一看就個會啦，對哦。
你如果成日是未使，但是你冇凍掉，你龜頭佢就是輸啦。
輸啦，你錄嘢嘢 collection 都爆。對哦 ，something like that 啦。
我見未看。
very big。
S 啊，這裡是 antique แล้ว可能協上影嘅。แล้ว
pick up stick
嚇 pick up stick 我 pick up stick 我識搞咯。pick up stick 唔知啲學緊話叫做講乜嘢？我諗啲學緊話叫自己，唔係叫咩 pick up stick？
佢真係行緊叫咩
pick up stick 可能อันนี้เขาน่ะแล้วรู้อะไรของอีเปียอีก็เดียวแต่ว่าโมเสงก็เราก็จำเป็นแล้วรู้อะไรอัลบั้มมาก็แล้วแมกกาซีนก็รู้สึกกักกี้
กักกี้ except for เฮเล Madonna Culture Club from USA แต่ว่าขี่ USA สิ
อ๋อลูกคิเบ้
เลสิ from the second hand store
แล้วรู้จะเจมีการซื้อลูกกักกี้
yeah mostly สารจะเป็นแบงค์แบงค์ school days แบงค์
โอ้ชูบีจะซื้อลูกกักกี้ละแล้วรู้ซิวขึ้นเลยลูกบอลกี่เคลลูกกันแล้วซิวเดียว
อุเล่บุกยาอะไร
不ลูกซิเซฮันซิวเดียวกันแล้วล่ะ
哦，什么个了？
我看你哋翕相應該一個個了。喲，你看這裡。哎呦！
我未見個了 receipt。
哇，so cute！
你見啊，四下子啦，一
哈。這是4嚟 kindergarten 嚟。
嚇 ，kindergarten 咯。
Cute。誒，你搞笑本啊？未搞笑啊？
成笑本啊！有袋咯，電袋咯。
電袋是你個機啊？是機錘。哇！你搞笑物件哦。
我是 hoarder 啊。你看你 reality show 嚇，我是 one of them 啦，是我獨 join 啦。我點解？
你咪屬於 budget 咧 ？After 你 big launch 時，你細嘅嚟做 museum 去咯。
我 obsess 咯，I can 加嚟擺。我點解toys 啊 ，figurines。And then 你為 mother 但是你幫我嘅了少少啊。
哦，你 vision 啊，未你實未？
我會 plan 個，我會 plan 個。And then 為 mother 個有你國家係 kebaya，我會擺。
花燈燈。
yeah，with the lace。嚟，到底嚟 help 我啦 ？I need a curator。
喲，笑哦
！Actually, this is quite fun project.
Yeah. Sometimes, 哎呦。
curate 啦。
Yes。
哎呦，I involve 做這個 project。
不會，我睇會。我當然會啦。
All this vintage collection。
Because 你就話唔是講特人係嗬。細漢嘅大唔是特人講係。有興趣要做呢nostalgia project，แล้ว有啲人咧就不緊錢咧，就是個就呢 nostalgia project 咧嗬，一隻笑嘅就係，點解你做掉嚟講啊？人哋 feel 掉嚟就見咗嚟對 feel 掉，成個我 podcast 我做咗一隻國際物件，講國際物件嗬，一人聽到啊就真正 就 warm 嘅就係小調。
yes. Because nostalgia always works. It's an emotional feeling.
對，但當你開嘅時候，你係使 stream 嘅裏邊咧，學見 episode 就俾抄畫㗎啦出嚟㗎。你特別去入面 over 18嘅 kilo 頂。
我經 the safe topic 啊，
冇 safe topic。topic 那是 safe 本好係嘛？誒話乜事冇 safe？
但我哋係一個 size 18 and above
18 and above 咧，below 18咧就變成 earplug。
對。哦，that's fun 嚇啦，我係做 podcast 啊，yeah，
你係使放咗部，你會寫晒 radio 嘅 section 啊
，yes，
你放 radio section，你後尾 stream 掉咯，一個咧用福建話講嘅㗎。
From my laptop，I can stream from my laptop。
係。你會使啊？哇！你會發㗎啦，你會買 USB stick，你放緊都買。我700幾嚟 episode，一個 episode 咁半鐘。
Oh my god！我萬幾。
嚇！
萬幾講。
你幾？你話哇！你看到係話成個成交 game 啊，講下白古利啊，咪係咪我冇講過？所以你使放係你係你嚇。
childhood games 先。
你使嗬？你那是成個哎呀，當 concept 定。
到時咯 brainstorming 啊
brainstorm 你係使成個你把你成個直讀定嘅時候，你成個好像一個像 selection 啊，你會放係咪 episode 啦？你
哦，好像 play
你 play 咧，就正你人治療正有人聽，特別你對本地人啊，本地人嘅有錢啊，即係話特別呢，我頭晚話你講啦，我諗乜看到係你 star edit 你 chief editor。因為是邊啲人咯，按佢頭啊！我把嗰個看到伊個 story 呢，講 if you do 2019啊，你去講去個可能被學講學緊話嘅了，
家己人講 Mandarin，嚇，我 still insist 講學緊reply 對人。
所以我就是講，那是你對了，你有心想愛用學緊話人咧，都會 try 讓 the best to preserve it。對，我未 lost hope 過。still hope because 我係知嘛，我係知就一人少年家暑假聽邊啲學見嘅嘛，所以伊人係暑假聽，我是講你唔三時物件嗬，是老作講好講，特別好講咧變咗伊人對伊嘅係話係 language 啊，變咗有感情去，你若是有感情，你就愛 protect 伊，你唔係會 protect 伊就被你被可以 disappear 去咯，所以話你係使財政一號，你係使可以人聽，你係使成日講你係使 curate 嘛，你得隻 episode 是看 nostalgia 嘅一關係嘅之類，就冇講話租家呀，甚至你成日俾你去經咯，你係實正聽，有得聽有得講，教你朋友差唔多聽。
我 feel 這裡你講is very true because nowadays 家己人會曉學緊了，so this is actually a good education for 人啊 ，and also matches why tribute because can be a tribute to 人嘅 language 啊，人嘅學緊，you see？
Good.
Very nice.
Yes. 哇，真係有意思。因為 because 當今我做嘅時，我感覺到我有 touch 到人，特別我冇 feel 到我 touch enough of the crowd。So 我
followers 這邊邊冇講嘅or US 嘅多
啊，這邊嘅啫
啊，這邊嘅啫
嚇 almost 90% 是到啲 Malaysia 啦，邊啲 quite a big chunk also。
哦 ，OK good。
So tapi lu sometimes lu be educate 人 sometimes 是唔是有當時唔是講被喺你有心咧人就，於是俾可以無笑掉，到你無笑掉嗰樣背講學嘅話咧，接嚟正嘅是切掉，有啲 radio show program 講學嘅話，一變咗樣成個 intrigue by 你 idea 咧，樣個實聽就就講，哎呦喂我冇插你學嘅話，聽到把隻錢了，所以。你 change 你部笑掉，會 protect language 啦嘅，但 impact 就較大。
influence 到伊啦。correct。
對，真正嚇你 concept 啦。OK， 或者玩佢點先。
留定。Actually, it would be nice if you talk to me. Let's say a few months. Let's say you take a few months off. Then 做隻 curation. Just like.A tribute to something, a tribute to 80s, 70s, then anything any topic, then you play. Yeah, because the concept is really big enough.
You're so song.
Yeah. Interested?
Song. 哎呀 ，actually 我昂，伊講有當時我想會，伊看被打嘅 Trump 嘅時講，哎不 ，let's move to Penang。
Malaysia 咪 second home 咯。
講嚟啦，你當面都坎坷咯，我唔知。I mean，我別講特別，我 always in the back of my mind 係，我就係 somehow 我係 part of my living 是 part of 檳城嘅。
對對，you can never
你別嚇，你別
forget your
forever
roots
嚇。
對
，so 我時拍攝 retirement 嘅時。Wang part of my time 都係出邊，part of time 都係 US，呢時未 totally 都係出邊，唔係，我講我 partially 都係出邊嚟講係我攞啦，特別suka邊咧，
suka Penang. But now because still young, okay. But eventually as you grow older, 你唔敢講 travel 嘛，對。So then you have to do a decision already by that time，對。But it's good to have two options now，你就咪講 cancel 一個去，
對。OK， 你講咩啊？佢咪講咩個啊？但我成我不會รู้咩嘅，佢點嘅？รู้
6 months，
兩個月，但係รู้ก็คุย兩個月，
baruคุย兩個月，
รู้兩個月之裏面，係咪มีการ surprise ด้วย係咪มีการ試下？哎呦，我冇想到，還是成個 plan 嚟 plan 冇想到係咪มีการ surprise ด้วย pleasant or unpleasant ไม่使講。
Okay, I think the surprise would be actually I would say is overall because I've never done hospitality before so because all this was to design and all that then suddenly to hospitality there's a lot of like eye opener and for example customer service customer yang demand something you wouldn't expect and customer so look at all kinds of personality Then after that, the other thing surprise would be also the cooking processes because 但是我冇想到OK certain things OK 這裡未使講就講煎手菇 for example 煎手菇一定去so 這裡第from experience and all that 然後但是有的人樣你唔被 please everybody 但是有的愛亂有的買亂 so how do you come to a consensus and all that so all these things are like it's eye opener 好玩咯 so from that 6 months actually 被講嚟I'm still on the learning curve 啦so everything every day is also a surprise 啦you get me because you never know 嘛 you never know what to expect you never know who is going to walk in and tell you what they like or demand or 係咪要這樣？
按照除咗呢點 normally 繼續嚟。
較濟咧 because okay now at this moment I don't have a signage yet but 我是擺一個 bicycle 路口啦所以有係畫展嘅，所以人會看到咯。
attract 人嘅 attention
but it's a bit different 啊 I want to do something different 啦行過我passerby 啦แล้วก็จีรังสิ because ยัง curious ยัง看你點安怎咧暗嘅 tinted glass 即係含義
在裡面就係
so a lot of customer ยัง walk-in 是 out of curiosity so in a way the curiosity pulls them in which is also good 啦 works for me 啦then ยัง嚟แล้วก็approach 人咧 explain 佢ยัง聽 the menu and the what the cafe is all about
personal story 啦
personal story 啦對So a lot of customers, they also have written reviews on TripAdvisor for so that's quite good lah.
Yeah, lu煮嘅時，煮食嘅時，lu 係咪嘅？lu 係實係第一時第坎坷嘅煮食。但係真係係咪嘅是第坎坷？
第坎坷是 actually rushing for 20 guests。
好浪緊就先諗出嚟，
但是有10個人
實得個呢接嚟，
我咪是kelam kabut lah, kelam kabut lah. You get what I mean? So then after that aku, ayo si lah anco. So they
kelam kabut kerja jelang lah.
Jelang. So that time 我就ka關咯，我俾
夾住咯。
I just wish 我索當嘅超啦。
跟硬講我講。
所以做去俾佢啦。So 真係 rush, and then that one really give also eye opener, and also gave me the experience how to handle.
你諗點咩 ？Last time 我 retail experience 我做緊啦，就是你人哋冇熟嘅，就是你冇可以制講伊人，你講你就係一個人係，你就是講可以人制， yang expected 咧嗬，喺度邊咧 gram，但是你買人強講咧，咧嗬，佢哋別時嚇，一人去到咯對。
But most of the time, when customer lies here, I also tell them that I'm the cook and we are only 2 people.
So your expectation set expectation.
Set that. 阿冇俾人試啊。That's why CS 做家私。
做家私。屌，係唔係真水啊？哦。Good. Then 你那是講你拍算這 restaurant 這 concept 會按照 expand 咯，你有拍算一倍
？So far 阿倍 but I've got some customers they actually like they're quite interested. Like 成日有一個 from Hong Kong 嘅，因為話講if you open in Hong Kong, actually this will be quite interesting. 然後有一個 Japanese tourist is the ex of the Japanese Association in Penang 嘅 ex president 嚟噃，she came and then
是日本
lady and she at Krabu Bihun. 佢講 this Krabu Bihun will do well in Tokyo. She told me.
Wow.
So I was quite happy and impressed and then 佢叫一個 photographer friend of hers who is doing a guide for the Japanese tourists in Japanese feature 我人
Wow.
This was last year. So a guide will come out this year.
I see.
For the Japanese tourists
okay.
Because it's suka the Krabu Bihun.
So 你是 through word of mouth 定
mostly 是 through word. 我冇講佢做 marketing, social media 冇。It's just that because 我一人做緊
organic 啦，
so 我自己做我自己 Instagram posting， 我影嘅時度翕咯，翕咗嗰度 share all that you know 啦 ，the hashtags and all that. So I'm like pretty much 上這行做啦，我講頭先我諗俾做緊我
social media manager.
Yeah. So then this is the lady 啦，好看啊。
實頭晚係 Australian 嘅，喂，你講 Australian 啊，叫你 friend 嚟整佢，Melbourne
可以，你要做 investor， 真難辦啊！這 internet show you what she wrote。
你 expecting 到 from 你 design 嘅 background 啊，有影響到你自己店，安怎影響到你自己店
？I think mostly will be like the decoration, the styling, and then 我人嘅 branding 咯 ，logo, and then even like the you know the way how the shop is laid out and all that. So there has a bit of a design in it lah. So I think like even like one lampshade something very different so we choose a bit vintage and here and there, and then definitely 有淡薄 hints of the design like one Chan. You see we have printed one kaki you see.
Like the whole concept 本嚟你 concept 你會可能感覺就 feel 到係咪你幾時俾你點
I think it's more of nostalgia definitely because one a lot of vintage props 㗎啦then and what I would like to evoke is that the memories of good old days lah. That's why at the front they catch up you remembering how remembering the good old days, how mom used to cook, something like that. So that is something to give an indication of what to expect inside here. Yeah, what was your first impression? What made you to look more crazy because you 唔知是你點what was your impression?
Well, okay, so 頭先 impression okay 真係 fresh
okay
because 一隻 clean line 啦一部我就雜嘅 because 有隻人I mean 這是我 personal preference 有隻人要做 nostalgia 嘅 feel 樣真正 overdressed 我 feel 到這隻較 open 啊跟你會看到伊 expose 嘅邊啊你會覺得流角真係味素你會 feel 到特別一個唔是成個你買嘅唔是想你自己做你成你買嘅頭髮尖就係這物件啦伊無 clutter 所以就真正 open 咯แล้ว如果我在行入來時咧，我注意到嘅物件就是係咧畫圖菜圖，แล้ว看到伊菜圖裏面物件，然後等對我嚟講，邊個人咧都較有意思，我見我看到咧畫陣啊， 主要嚇，我冇頭頭見嘅時候冇看到，但係我見嘅係比較看到，伊個網站
middle 啊
嚇，แล้วมันก็ element of discovery 咯，你บอกมันจะ即係你บอก成日都 spoon feed รู้กันแล้ว
yes
你บอกมัน discover 就ก็看到這個袋即係ก็看到這個 bag ก็ combat ก็看到เอาไว้เลย但ตัวเต็ง for my guy ตัวเต็งso อีเป็น就有
subtlety 咯
subtlety เนี่ยอยู่ใน discovery บน so 你เป็น就成個你 invested in this space 你成個你discover 掉新嘅物件
對唔係講成日隔咗 in your face
咁แล้ว你成個 spoon feed 咁樣人佢哋啱啊你是誇張我冇咁誇張เนี่ย
this is the one 過咗
哎呦 M&M Orange oh my god 之後我個 still discover 掉個當機炮你揾咗菜啫呢個嘢哦
這是古早我 sister 一俾啦咧一買啦我咪是 order 嘛笑嘅啦佢嚟人食啦
唔知講幾時你 order come into play
exactly you never know so a lot of things 成日古早 the little details 嘛so 這個啦咯 so 我係即 for customer to 啉水啊要俾佢 filtered water 啊 they can take from there 咯我冇講淨係借啊抌波呢 so 佢嚟擺咯 so yeah I'm glad you discovered this
對我講哎呦慧姐出邊你就我是個 discovery
yeah that's nice it's like engaged 啦
呀好啦，你若是有機會來呢嗬，嚟隨位朋友做個事，
做個半命，
特別有意思做啦嚇。樓頂我可以看你樓頂啫，因為我想去看你走卡。
it's like 特別 is very simple 嘅，你去看。
我想帶人多去看。冇聲，冇看嘅，講呢。我實我會去一下，แล้ว我當見攰住你梅里นะฮันคลิกๆลองทีเดียวแล้ว攰จะที่梅อาบวยชาวแค่เซ็กเก่งอาบวยฮะ
small simple
จะได้ไม่สวย
ยังเอาไปหลายชั้นเลยยังเสร็จก็หลายชั้น
ดู
retro
นะว่าจะเป็นจะไรหาไม่จริงว่าจันอีดูกันแล้วใช้ตัวมีก็即個獨立撐，แล้ว即係咩腰箭，
แล้วจะเลยเหล็กเตา
力道
simple small 啦，比講講一人嚟比 max maybe small size เนี่ย
should be
然後正阿妹就是 to the restroom 咯 on the right hand side restroom 咯
OK
แล้ว on the this door and left 就是 the other cafe 正過口嘅แล้ว
ใช้จะมาต่อใช้จะมาปี
นี้ใช้จะมาปีสุดปีนี้เลยเนาะแล้วจริงก็แล้ว
น่าเก็บอ่ะ
แล้วเก็บปีแล้ว
ว่าคิดว่าอะไรว่า看 video 就在做 concert 什麼嘢
但是有咧
music
yoga dancing swing you know different things so basically a lot of shops
如果你看成個嚟這邊北京店然後行入來你店咧
yes and then 大媽你 order 你 food 你咪是去北京店咯所以 order the food one just 行去可以嘅咯這應該這行 explore especially Sunday 伊是一個 market 這邊
I see
伊是 bazaar market
I see 兩邊物件啦
handicraft art and craft food snacks 咁樣這行老咗
lighting ไม่สวย lighting
這deep 呢
lighting สวยแล้ว你這裡exposed bricks already 有了有
對 that's why thank goodness why I don't have to do much so 我 just tap on 這裡แล้ว我叫 spray 咯我 spray 紅線 or spray aircon or
你 aircon 就自己 spray 啦
spray 咯冇咧愛食嘛
แล้วก็電話 J&T 什麼啊
จับ發單 telecom
對等我聽下這聲
然後 nostalgic
搞下嘛但嚟啊我係顧電話搞ทอง哇當拍個 back 位
but 伊聲開 nice 呢你加開爽了就 for the finger
開 sturdy
就是咯
กูอันนี้หาล่วงใจนี่ใจติงต้าแต่ว่า
你被頭卡
你嘛所謂但話是哦，但係咧，
those were the days 啊。
啦，
當見到人未曉，淨係人都得樣地對。
因為有人見到咧真係，
嚇，樣未曉㗎，嚇，yeah，there was one viral video。
未曉加，
你未曉加，你看按照 call up。
冇樣字頭，樣字頭 expect 上到第三呢個 call 一路啦，個什麼嚟啊？
啊，這是咩
？OK，各位聽眾當然聽下這邊聲啦嚇，一路人有興趣咧，讓到嚟這邊教關仔啦嚇。OK，下禮拜嘅嚟再見，拜拜。